Hello students, I am Jaysri Miss. Now today I am going to study the new poem, first poem When I Heard the Learned Astronomer, and it was written by the poet Walt Whitman. Now, when I heard the learned astronomer, when the proofs and figures were ranged in columns before me, when I was shown the charts and diagrams to add, divide, and measure them, when I sitting heard the astronomer very lectured with much applause in the lecture room, how soon unaccountable I become tired and sick, till rising and gliding out I wondered of myself in the mystical moist night air, and from time to time looked up in perfect silence at the stars. Now, now let us discuss about this poem. Now this poem is divided into two parts. So in this first part it is about astronomer and second part is about the speaker. Now in the first part speaker is said that he is hearing the learned astronomer's lecture room. The learned means educated. So he is attending the lecture room of the this one astronomer, learned astronomer. And this astronomer, what is astronomer? The astronomer is a scientist who study about the stars, moons, planets, etc. Now astronomer, what is he doing? The astronomer presented the stars through the figures, columns before the speaker, and he used very mathematical tools also, like adding, dividing, measuring them, etc. Because he have to analyze everything mathematically, right? So all the students there who were sitting in the lecture room, they were very much appreciating him. Applause means appreciating him, clapping him, that clapping in front of him. So means everyone got interested in the lecture room, but the speaker is not interested so much in this study. But speaker is very much tired. After that, what happens? How it should become unaccountable. I become tired and sick. Means what? Speaker is become very much unaccountable. Is very much tired, very much sick of getting this lecture. So he come out of the lecture room, right? So he is very much sick. A lecture. So he did not like the bookish knowledge. Why? Well, he came out of the lecture room, and because what? Why? Because he did not like the bookish knowledge. After the speaker is clearly inspired as he glides out, comes out. Abhi, till rising and gliding out, I wondered of my flight. What happens? Ki the speaker it glides out means come out of the lecture room. Lecture room के बाद आता है, and he जैसे ही lecture room से बाहर आता है ना, he comes out of the lecture room in a mystical moist night. Moist means क्या? Damp, wet, and mystical means attractive, fascinating. So the night is very much damp, wet, and very much fascinating, attracting night, right? So the speaker got interested in looking at the night, looking towards the sky, looking towards the stars, etc. And he enjoyed the perfect silence of the stars, right? He is very much interested in the perfect silence of the stars. So in this poem actually what happens in this poem कि स्पीकर है उसको क्या लगता है, उसको बुकिश नॉलेज नहीं अच्छा लगता, उसको प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज अच्छा लगता है. जो एस्ट्रोनॉमर जो डिस्कस कर रहा है वो बुकिश नॉलेज है, वो बुक में से पढ़ा रहा है, राइट? एंड ही इज़ गिविंग सम मैथमेटिकल टूल्स, चार्ट्स, डायग्राम्स एक्सेट्रा, इज शोइंग द लेक्चर रूम, एंड एवरी वन आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द लेक्चर रूम. बट वो स्पीकर को वो अच्छा नहीं लगता, ही वॉन्ट अ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज. सो ही कम्स आउट ऑफ द लेक्चर रूम and is directly looking at the night, and he is a fascinating moist night, and he want the perfect silence in the stars. So now here speaker is no interest in lecture, so he comes out, right? So in this there is a difference. There is one difference between the wisdom and actually the poet is telling about the difference between the wisdom and the knowledge, right? So what do you mean by wisdom? Wisdom means what? Reading the book, and from the reading the book we are getting the knowledge, bookish knowledge. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? विस्टम बोलते हैं, राइट? नॉलेज मीन्स क्या? प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस. जो हम लोग को प्रैक्टिकली जो हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस लेते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं नॉलेज, राइट? तो ओवरऑल पोएट क्या कहना चाहते हैं इसमें कि स्पीकर डोंट लाइक बुकिश नॉलेज, ही वॉन्ट्स प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, राइट? तो ओवरऑल दिस and this practical experience he can study the stars and skies and etc, right? So this is all about the poet he want practical knowledge, and this done.